Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are playing with this amazing slime and homework and more slime and more stuff. Picture in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna play with this one first, and I'm gonna put it right there because it's easy for me. And I'm gonna zoom it in because I want this to be far. Okay, so I'm actually gonna add lotion. If you guys can even see me, lotion. My bathroom is ugly. So I'm gonna add 2 more pumps, guys. And I'm filming on that one too, see? Focus. 9 minutes. Okay, that's 9 minutes. So I'm gonna actually leave it in there because why not? Okay, so I don't know how the camera is right now. So I need to look at 2 cameras. And one is right there. And the other one's right there. Well, for you camera, the you camera, you. There's another camera filming for my other YouTube channel back to there. And for you, my little dudes right here, my dudes, the ones that I love the best. There's another camera right there. And so I'm done mixing my mixture of lotion, and it was pretty stretchy. Oh dang! And there was kind of some in my keyboard. Camera number 2, come with me to see my keyboard because you can move